Looming mass extinction could be biggest since the dinosaurs, says WWF. More plants and animals than ever before are on a global list of threatened species, with the World Wildlife Fund Germany warning that more than 1 million species could go extinct within the next 10 years.
Here's a summary of the article.
Ever-growing environmental threats are pushing many animals and plants to the brink of extinction, the scale of which hasn't been seen since dinosaurs died out, the German branch of the World Wildlife Fund said on Wednesday. The stark warnings came as WWF Germany released its Winners and Losers of 2021, an annual list of animals whose existence is now acutely under threat, as well as conservation victories. It is the largest number of species to be included on the Red List since it was established in 1964, according to WWF Germany. Around 1 million species could go extinct within the next decade, which would be the largest mass extinction event since the end of the dinosaur age, the organization said in a statement. WWF Germany Director Eberhard Brands said decisive environmental protection policies were urgently needed, particularly in the fight against climate change. Among the animals most acutely threatened, and among the losers on this year's WWF list, are the African forest elephant, whose population has declined by 86% within just 31 years. Experts estimate the Arctic Ocean could be completely ice-free in the summer of 2035, WWF Germany said.
This post received a score of 14,000, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
We have known about this for decades, we keep kicking the can down the road to fix it, and here we are. 2050 for carbon neutral? Too late, we need to be carbon negative in the next few years to start undoing the damage that has been done. 2050 gives the illusion that something is being done without doing anything.
Yep, 2020 was said to be a crucial point and it looks like we aren't doing anything. So 2050 is going to be really rough. I feel sorry for the young kids because they are going to be living a tough life.
NASA's point of no return was 2016. IPCC has a wide variety of solutions for how we could survive this century, but they are all very optimistic and we are currently not on track for any of them. Even if we were carbon neutral by 2050, which as everyone knows, is bullshit 30 years in advance, because it involves no meaningful action now.
This is what breaks my heart the most. An unending chain of life that we're sniffing out by the billions.
Funny how we hope to find alien life eventually, but we are killing all the unique species the Earth has. All we might have left on Earth eventually are going to be humans, and we hate each other and ourselves. Population went from 1.8 b to over 7 b humans in 100 years. Will we switch to renewable energy before Earth gets too warm and can't produce enough resources each year?
Did you watch Don't Look Up? It was a very realistic portrayal of exactly the kind of attitude humans have to looming extinction. People simply don't give a fuck in big enough numbers, so yes, we are doomed.
Land use is the leading cause of species extinction. 50% of the world's habitable land is used for agriculture, 77% of that is used for livestock and only provides 18% of our calories and 37% of our protein.
This ought to be the top comment. Most here are pointing at issues that are indeed problems, but not the problems most related to species extinction. It should also be noted that the U.S. consumes a disproportionate amount of what is produced on the land used for agriculture. And by consume I don't even necessarily mean eat. We throw obscene quantities of the food purchased into the trash, both at home and at grocery stores, restaurants, etc. All to maintain an illusion of cornucopian abundance that is dependent upon exploitation, pollution and extinction.
If you can't see it, it isn't happening. Looming? It's not looming. It's already here.
Less than insert meme of guy sitting on tree branch, sawing off said tree branch greater than.
We should really do something about that. Goes to bed and doesn't think about it until next time it's posted.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.